Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we'll show you how to select high-quality seed potatoes and the importance of using certified disease-free seeds. We'll also demonstrate how to prepare your seed potatoes for planting. Let's get started. Choosing the right seed potatoes is crucial for a healthy harvest. First, always use certified seed potatoes to prevent common issues like blight and potato viruses. Next, select firm, smooth seed potatoes free from blemishes, cuts, or signs of decay. Avoid potatoes with long sprouts. And size matters. Choose medium-sized seed potatoes, about the size of a chicken egg. Smaller potatoes may lack energy, while larger ones can be cut into pieces. Prepare your seed potatoes for planting. If large, cut into pieces, each with 2 to 3 eyes, or sprouts. Then, place the cut pieces in a cool, dark, well-ventilated area for 2 to 3 days to form a protective callus. Now you're ready to plant. Plant pieces about 4 inches deep, with eyes facing up. Space them 12 inches apart within rows, and keep rows 24 to 36 inches apart. Selecting high-quality, disease-free seed potatoes and preparing them properly are key steps for a successful harvest. Stay tuned for our next video on planting techniques. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!